Students, how are you all? I hope you all are very safe and happy. So, Standard 6 Subject English Chapter number 4 Reuse, Reduce and Recycle Activity 6. In the last video, we learned about Activity 1 and now go for the next activity, that is Activity 6, Working on Dress. So, all the students, please open your English textbook, page number 32. One wonderful and short poem. We will learn working on the dress. We have been working on recycling all the dress we can. We have been working on recycling. It is very simple plan. Separate your glass and paper. Separate plastics from tin. Take the dress that you have recycled to your recycle bin. First of all, you all have to understand and then you have to complete workbook exercise. So, here what want to explain in the first para, we have been working on recycling all the dress we can. We have been working on recycling. It is very simple plan. Separate your glass and papers. Separate plastics from tin. Take a dress that you have recycled to your recycling bin. Then next para, we have been working on reducing. Then second para, explain that about reducing. First, that is recycling and second is reducing. All the dress we can. We have been working on reducing. It's very simple plan. Don't go wasting any products. Use exactly what you need. Don't buy things in extra wrapping. Reduce and you will succeed. How to use? How to reducing. And then third, we have been working on reusing all the dress we can. We have been working on reusing. It is very simple plan. If it is paper bag you are using, don't use it once but twice. Give old clothes and toys to someone to reuse them. That would be nice. So, I hope you all are also understand. First, that is the poet says that we have been working on recycling all the dress as much as we can. He says that it is very simple. We have to separate all the dress and glass and papers plastics from tin. We have to take the recycled dress on the recycling bin. And in the next second stanza, the poet says that we have been working on reducing the dress as much as we can. Reducing is also simple. We have not to waste any products and to use exactly according to your needs. We should not buy things in extra wrapping. He says that we should reduce the use of things that we do necessarily. And in the third stanza, the poet says that we have been reusing all the dress into all its possibility. It is very simple to reuse things. He gives examples that we can use paper bags more than one time. We can give old clothes and boys to someone to reuse. That would be nice according to the poet. So simple. Then next, what is the difference between recycling, reducing and reusing? So answer is, recycling is a process to change waste materials into a new products and prevent waste of potentially useful material. And reducing is reducing is amount of waste. reducing use of unnecessarily packings, wrappings, paper, fuel, energy and water, etc. And then reusing is using the things again in the same form of converting them into a different form for different use. Then second question is, what does re mean in the word recycling, reducing and reusing? So answer is that in this word the prefix re means re again. Re means again. And then third, which one do you think is most useful for working on the dress? That all third question answer you have to write down own self according to your thinking. And then go for the next exercise, that is activity 9, bags to building. So did you know that some people are making new buildings with recycled trash? We all know that some people are making new buildings with recycled trash. One architect from America has helped people and Haiti build new homes called earthships from the tears, bottles and other trash that were left after hurricanes destroyed many homes. यहाँ पे क्या बताया गया है कि some peoples are building. आपने कभी देखा है कि रिसाइकल्ड ट्रेस में से बिल्डिंग्स बनते हुए? वन आर्किटेक्ट जो है वो अमेरिका से बिलोंग करता है. उन्होंने वो एक होम का क्रिएट किया इस रिसाइकल थिंग से. उसका नाम दिया अर्थशिप्स फ्रॉम द टायर्स, बोटल्स एंड अदर ट्रेस से उन्होंने ये होम का बनाया गया. Using recycled materials in building is becoming popular in many places. A school in Pune, Maharashtra, India is built almost entirely from recycled materials. Okay, reusing recycled materials in building is becoming popular in many places. We all know that. A school in Pune, Maharashtra, India built almost entirely from recycled materials. The school named Mansi Parmar Primary School was built with wool made, plastic bottles, cow dugs, bamboo and straw. All the classrooms were built using the earth bag techniques. This is a way of building by filling sacks with a mix of earth and waste products, sealing them and then sticking them. They are then tied with wire and pastured over. The children at Aman Setu play in open spaces and learn about nature. They help take care of animals and grow some of the food they eat. Even their uniforms are colored with vegetable stains, and when they need extra spaces, they have class in the cell of an old bus. Conversing energy happens even before school starts. Everyone becomes to school in a school bus to reduce the energy needed to get to school. At Aman Setu, everything is reduced, reused and recycled. So, in this article, Bags to Building, how to make advantageous use of trash is described. One architect from America has helped people in Haiti build new homes called earthships. Using recycled materials, building is becoming popular in many places. And which is that school? That is Aman Setu Primary School was built walls made of plastic bottles, cardboard, bamboo and straw. All the classmates were built by filling snakes with a mix of earth and waste products, selling them, then sticking them. Then they are tied and with wire and plastered over. This technique is known as earth bag technique. And the children at Mansi Parmar primary schools play in open spaces and learn about the nature. They help take care of animals and grow some of the food they eat. Even their uniforms are colored with vegetables dyes, and when they have need extra spaces, they have their class in the cell of on bus. Conversing energy happens even before the school starts, and everything comes in the school bus to reduce the energy needed to go to school. So that's why this Mansi Parmar primary school, everything is reduced, reused and recycled. So clear? That is the article of bags to buildings. Then next activity we will learn in next video. Thank you.